Hi everyone, my name is Lisa Chun. I'm the Associate Dean for Osteopathic Clinical Education and Simulation here at California Health Sciences University College of Osteopathic Medicine. Administratively, I oversee 4 departments. I oversee the whole simulation center. I oversee the departments of primary care, specialty medicine, and osteopathic principles and practices. So an explanation of OMM and what it can be is actually the use of your hands and how your hands, your mind, and your heart all come together in patient care when you're listening to somebody, where you're investigating what might be happening, what's influencing their certain condition, whether it's a social event or an interaction with their family members, whether it's a history that comes and predates them in utero. It's a wide variety that occurs. The osteopathic manipulative medicine increases your awareness in a way that most people don't think. And it develops your palpatory skills to a level that you never thought or could have imagined. So I went to OMM because I found in my life doors open when I'm paying attention. And this happens to be an area that I think is of specialty. It's a gift, and so I like to share it. It is a smaller part of subset. I loved emergency. I loved surgery. I loved internal medicine and the subspecialties. But this is almost foundational in the way you think, the way you diagnose, and the way you care for somebody. I am not from the Valley. I am actually from New York. So this was a wonderful surprise when I came here to the Central Valley. I was born and raised in lower New York State on Long Island. So access to nature, yet to a large city, very diverse populations and activities and geography. And I found that here.